Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Autumn and I'm a professional hairstylist and makeup artist. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a new product. I'm so excited to try it out. I haven't even gotten it out of the box yet, but I saw it on Tati Beauty's channel and I just had to try it. So today, drum roll please, we're going to be reviewing the Crease Piece. If you're wondering what the heck a Crease Piece is and you have not heard of it yet, well, here it is. On the back of the box it says, "This easy-to-use kit will help you create the perfect cut crease every time. Included are 3 sets of custom and reusable silicone crease shapes designed for every eye shape and eyeshadow style. Forget intimidating techniques, wasting product, and spending precious time trying to make your cut crease even. The Crease Piece has you covered, literally." So that is what the back of the box, that is what the back of the box says, jeez. So now I'm going to read the directions on how to use the Crease Piece. Step 1. Once you've chosen your desired crease, remove the film from the back to adhere it to the top of the handle. Step 2. Hold your crease piece gently against the designated eye and apply your eyeshadow over the top edge as desired. Step 3. Once you are finished building up your eyeshadow, remove your crease piece to reveal your coveted cut crease. And underneath that it says best practices. For a more defined look, start with the darkest shade and your thinnest brush. As the colors get lighter, the brushes should get larger. Avoid using stiff or flat brushes for blending. The fluffier the better. That is true. Be sure to clean off any makeup remaining on the crease before removing it from the handle. After each use, remove the crease from the handle and place the film back on the adhesive. If needed, rinse the adhesive under warm water and let dry completely before covering or using. I'm going to go off camera real quick so I can go ahead and open this box, and then we can decide which shape is going to be the best for me. Alright, so I've opened the box and first I will be showing you the handle. So this is what the handle looks like. It has a curve to it so that it fits the shape of an eye. And then this piece up here is where you will stick the piece that fits your eye shape. Now I will be showing you the different shapes that the kit comes with. Here I have the almond shaped piece, and this is for the right eye. It also comes with a left eye piece. Here I have the round piece. This is the right side and it also comes with a left side. Lastly, we have the winged piece. This is the right side and it also comes with the left. So here we have the round piece. Here we have the almond piece. Lastly, we have the winged piece. I think the best shapes for me personally will either be the winged piece or the round piece. I think today though I will be using the winged piece just because it looks a little bit more fun and sassy. Before we get started, I'm going to hop off camera really quick just so that I can do my brows and get the base for my eyes ready to go. Today I will be doing my foundation and the rest of my makeup after I do my eyeshadow, just in case I mess up. This is a new product, so there might be a little bit of a learning curve, but if I do mess up, that way I can just wipe it clean and not worry about messing up the rest of my face makeup. Alright, so I'm back. I have my eyebrows done and I have my hair pulled back. A quick tip for keeping your hair out of your face is to use clips with paper towel in between. The paper towel keeps the clips from putting a dent in your hair, so that is why I look a little silly. Alright, so I have filled in my brows and I have applied the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion to my eyelids. So the first thing I will be doing for my eyeshadow is applying a base color. This shadow here, the matte color in the Row Aura, is what I will be using for my base. It's finally time to use our Crease Piece tool. This is what it's supposed to look like once it's on the handle. I'm really excited to try it out, but I'm kind of nervous. So I will be going into this dark brown over here, is the matte shade in the Row Ritual. I will be using this brush here. It is the smallest, fluffiest brush that I currently have. So now that I'm looking at it more, I think I did it too close to the inner corner. I think I need to bring it out a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and clean that up and we'll try it again. Alright, I think that looks good. It might look crazy to those of you who have never done this before, but once I have everything else done, I think it will look really good. I'm actually pretty excited about this tool. Like, so easy, oh my gosh. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab a lighter color so that I can blend out the line I just created for my cut crease. Next I will be using this color. It is the matte shade in the Row Story. Next I will be going in with this color here. It is the matte shade in the Row Soothe. Now I will be going into the metallic shade Aura, and to make that shimmery shade pop a little bit more, I'm going to add some setting spray. I'm going to place it on the inner corner of my eye and bring it out to about the middle. I will be using the metallic shade in Soothe. I will be placing this color to the middle of my eye. Next, I will be dipping into the metallic Row of Ritual and placing this color to the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm using a fluffy brush to blend out that darker color into that V of the cut crease. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cleaned up a little bit underneath my eye. I'm going to go ahead and take the brown matte ritual color. I'm going to place it underneath my lower lash line. And I'm going to be blending it into the top. I'm going to take the fluffier end of the brush and buff that out. Now I'm going to be dipping into the shade Aura in the pressed glitter. I'm going to be placing the glitter in the inner corner of my eye. So for eyeliner today, I will be using the Roller Eyeliner by Benefit Cosmetics. Now that I'm done with my left eye, I'm going to go ahead and do my right eye off camera. Alright, so we have done both eyes. Now I'm going to go in with mascara. This is a mascara by Essence, and it is called Instant Volume Boost. Alright, so we have got our mascara on. I'm going to hop off here really quick to apply the rest of my makeup, and I will also be throwing on some lashes to complete today's look. Alright, so we are done with our makeup today. We accomplished a cut crease with a wing, all thanks to the new Crease Piece tool. So it's definitely fun. Obviously you wouldn't want to buy it if you don't like the cut crease look, but if you do, I recommend it. It definitely surprised me in a good way. It's pretty easy to use, so why not save like 5 minutes on your makeup routine? So if you guys like this tool, I will make sure that I leave it in the description box below. It was around $20–30. I can't remember the exact price, but I'll have that information for you in the description. I definitely recommend it if this is a look that you like to do, or if you are a beginner at makeup and would like to accomplish a cut crease but can't seem to get it right. Definitely check this product out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like it, comment below and I'll be more than happy to review more products for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you know when I upload the next video. If you have any comments or questions about anything I did or used in the video, please comment below and I will answer them as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video.